Hi everyone, it's Afton and Penny. Today we made a recipe for honey vinaigrette, which is a salad dressing.
Honey Dijon vinaigrette.
And we also made a salad. If you're interested in learning a bit more about what's in a recipe, we thought we'd tell you the parts of a recipe. So today we used a recipe that's written by a chef, and a recipe is like a map that tells you how to cook something instead of how to go somewhere. So most recipes have similar things on them. Most of them have a title, which is, for this one, it's honey Dijon vinaigrette. Most of them have ingredients. And what are ingredients?
Stuff like...
You can just say it.
We have some over there. Honey.
Honey is an ingredient. If you were making cookies, what would be an ingredient in cookies?
Sugar.
Sugar. That's true. So those are the ingredients. Directions, which is they tell you what to do with the honey and the sugar or the vegetables. There's usually cook time or prep time, and that means how long it takes to get prepared and how long it takes for the item to cook. It also might say tools you might need, and what tools might you need when you're cooking?
Maybe a knife, some measuring cups, a spoon, a fork. Well, probably not a spoon or a fork.
Well, you can use a spoon and fork when you're cooking.
Maybe a spoon and fork, but probably mostly a knife.
Okay, sure. And then yield. And yield is maybe a word you don't know. Do you know what yield means?
It means the amount of people, like if you're serving muffins, there's usually 12 muffins in a batch, so it will serve 12 people at a time.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It's how many people the recipe will serve. And that's it. Those are the parts of the recipe. We hope you might take a look at some recipes at home and maybe even try and write your own recipe. Yeah. All right. Bye.
Bye.